Hey, Miss Sadecki's class, this is Mr. Ganley. It's Friday. It's time for more PE. Today I won't be online live with you, but I'm going to leave you some directions on what to do. You should be, if you're in Schoology and seeing me, you should be on your updates page. What I need you to do for your activities today, I need you to scroll up and click on your materials. Once in your materials page, you'll scroll back down and you'll find your yellow folder, the only one that's highlighted, that says unit, your yellow unit folder for today. Responsible personal and social behavior. Once you click there, there's only one folder I have open for you guys today. It's safety. You'll click in your safety folder, and there you'll have three options. Normally when we do activities, we'll do red, yellow, and then green. Today, I want you guys to move. I want you guys to click the red Getting Started folder where it says Warm Up. There's your activity for today. Click that link, and now you have three different activities to do. You can do them in any order, but I want you to do all three. Your other activity today, I want you guys to really find a good space where you can be active and move. Maybe you're clearing out space in your room, maybe it's in the kitchen, maybe it's in the garage, whatever works for you. Because on Monday, when I come back on with you, we're going to have a lot of movement to do. Okay? So today, getting started, 1, 2, 3, and figuring out the best space for you to be active. Guys, work hard, and we'll see you soon.